So I shot for almost 2 lakh rupees yesterday. I know it's quite crazy, but let me show you what all I got. Hi, it's me Akansha. Welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be my first ever haul video and I am super duper excited for it. So let me start from my favorite pick of yesterday, which is a t-shirt from Calvin Klein in their signature orange color. Only reason I got this t-shirt is this belt detailing. ये golden color का इतना प्यारा shine कर रहा है. ये t-shirt मैंने store में try भी नहीं करी थी. I was just like I had to get this one. Also, Kelvin ke store mein there are some discounts going on. This t-shirt was something around 5,000 rupees and I got it for 4,000 only. So next up here we have some sunglasses from Sunglass Hut, and ये sunglasses मुझे इतने लंबे टाइम से चाहिए थे. I was just not getting the moment to buy it, and maybe this was an impulsive purchase, but I just loved it. I actually got two glasses yesterday. One is from brand Celine and other is from Parada. I know ये glasses आपने all over internet already देखे होंगे, but I don't go for trends generally when I'm shopping for sunglasses, because sunglasses is a thing कि if I'm investing 30 to 40,000 rupees, I want to wear it for a long time, not only for a year, not only for a season, but these glasses are some signature pieces. And just look at this, dresses पे it is going to look so perfect. Like अभी तक मैं अपने जो पराडा के क्लासेस यूज कर रही थी, those were also similar but those were in rectangle shape, तो वो mostly dresses के साथ नहीं चाहता था. It went with the formal wears and casual wears, but I wanted something for the dresses, so these round shape glasses I guess will go perfect with my dresses now. एंड ये सेकंड सन ग्लासेस समथिंग डिफरेंट फ्रॉम माय एंटायर कलेक्शन. अभी तक मेरे पास बड़े ग्लासेस नहीं थे, लाइक दोज very square and big frame, so this is something similar to that. And also, like, I have my most of my collection in black shades. These glasses are brown. This is actually looking very casual and classy at the same time. I went to Sunglass Hut to buy that Celine sunglasses only, but ये वाले glasses मुझे इतने ज़्यादा पसंद आ गए that I wasn't able to like choose one in the between. So I got both of them, and both of them together costed me something around 80,000 rupees. And like I don't really regret like paying 80,000 rupees for the two pair of sunglasses, because sunglasses are something like I don't buy like very usual or again and again, and I know I'm gonna wear these a lot. Opticals के section में actually I got many things this time. I also have my lenses and some my power glasses as well. So I got two power glasses from John and Jacob, and ये discounts पे थे, so I got two. First one is like, this is very simple, like everyday use. मेरी power double हो गई, मैंने lens लगा रखे हैं, now I'm wearing glasses. So this is how it looks. Next one is like so pretty. अगर मुझे कभी लेंस नहीं लगाने and I want to go out, I can just put up these glasses and these are going to elevate my look so much. And इस पे ये stone की detailing is the only reason I got these. And beside these stones, look at the shape. Like मैं इस shape के like cat eye effect के sunglasses अपने school time पे पहनती थी, and it suits me a lot. Also in this bag I have this lip gloss. मेरा sugar का lip gloss खत्म हो गया था. After my Dior lip gloss, this is my second favorite. I'm also wearing this right now. Let me just show you once again. Like lip gloss के साथ में हल्का सा peach pink tint है, which I like the most. एंड जब इसका ग्लॉस खत्म भी होता है ना, इवन वाइल वी आर ईटिंग और ड्रिंकिंग समथिंग, इसका ग्लॉस हल्का सा फेड आउट या खत्म भी होता है ना, तो भी इसका जो पिंक टिंट बचता है लिप्स पे, दैट आल्सो लीव्स अ वेरी गुड इफेक्ट. And the last one from the optical section are my lenses. I actually wear toric lenses because मेरी जो power is a bit tricky. This is both a mix of spherical and cylindrical power. And जो normal Bausch and Lomb and Aqualens के lenses आते हैं, these are only in spherical or only in cylindrical in like colored lenses. Colored lenses में अगर मुझे toric lenses चाहिए, so there is only one brand available in India, which is also an international brand. This is from Celebrations. अभी तक मैं Celebrations के toric lenses monthly version पहनती थी, and monthly version costed me like 1800 to 1900 something, and I just got to know right now इसका yearly version is 3500. Like मंथली वर्जन 2000 के अराउंड है, ईयरली वर्जन 3500 है. मैं हर मंथ ऑलमोस्ट 2000 रुपीज पे करती थी फॉर माई लेंसेज, बट आई गॉट दिस वन एंड जस्ट इफ वी कैलकुलेट इट जस्ट कॉस्ट मी 2 to 300 rupees per month, which is so cost effective. I was just paying like 10 times the amount previously. Let me give you a closer look. So these are my lenses in natural light right now. These are somewhat in like gray and black kind of color. And now let me go with my favorite brand. You all know how much I am obsessed with Forever New outfits, their dresses, their coat sets. I have so much collection from Forever New. Like in my wardrobe, most of my dresses which I wear are from Forever New or from Zara. So this is the dress. इसमें मेरा साइज अवेलेबल भी नहीं था, उन्होंने लिटरली मैनिक्विन से निकाल करके मुझे दिया है, एंड देन आई परचेज दिस वन. This is something around 9,000, around 9,400, and I do invest in dresses a lot because I feel confident when the fabric is good, when it feels good when I'm wearing the outfit, and I literally do wear dresses a lot on daily basis as well. I'm not like एक बार मैंने dress पहन लिया so I'm not gonna wear it again, but I do wear my dresses again and again, so I do invest in good quality dresses. Next up from Forever New, I have this t-shirt, night satin shirt. ये मैं decide करके गई थी that I had to get this one. This is very soft and flowy. I think I had already decided to buy before going to mall. Oh, I almost forgot I bought some heels as well. And before moving forward, if you're a girl watching this video, let me be very honest and very clear. I don't get to shop for like direct 2 lakh rupees in one single day because I have a very rich dad. I simply belong from a very middle class family. And today, if you see me like spending wherever I want, investing on myself, investing on my growth, and just living this life at the age of 21 only, it's simply because I have been financially independent from past 2 years now. And trust me, girl, if you're gonna learn like digital skills in today's time, freelancing skills in today's time, you just see in today's time, you can achieve this lifestyle. And if you know me from a long time, you already know that I have made more than 1 crore rupees in last 1 year of time by using just simple digital skills like digital marketing, affiliate marketing, content or copywriting, or just simply by UGC. So these are very simple skills to learn in today's time. I'm just sharing you this so that you just get some inspiration, you work hard for your dreams, and you start making small efforts from today to live your dream life tomorrow. And if you want complete details how exactly I am making like 5 to 6 lakh rupees every month with consistency, you can just check out my caption for a complete step-by-step roadmap. These footwear are like very basic. मेरे पास black heels बहुत like heavy heels थी, so I wanted something comfortable for like regular use. Although I wear shoes and sneakers on regular use, but still I wanted something comfortable. So these are the heels, very comfortable. इस बार बिल्कुल भी pointed heels नहीं. These are block heels and like just simple black heels for like everyday use. This is something around 8,499. Also मैंने अभी heels ही open करी, तो second भी I'll show you guys my second pair of heels. This is from Zara. This was very cheaper compared to that Charles and Keith one. This is for like 3,500 only. And just look at the color and the gloss. ये pointed heels है. I know I'm not gonna be very comfortable, but I'm not gonna use it for every day. For sometimes I can manage. So I got this belt from Zara for a few of my dresses. का मुझे best part क्या लगा, मैं इसको कहीं भी pin कर सकती हूँ, like at any point. I can pin it at any point. So like अगर मैं इसको high waist पहन रही हूँ dresses के साथ या low waist pant के साथ पहन रही हूँ, it can fit anywhere. So this is my last package, a lot of clothing from Zara. Zara पे बहुत अच्छे discounts लगे हैं right now, so I got a lot of things from it. Firstly, एक staple white pants तो हर किसी के wardrobe में होनी चाहिए. मेरे पास already थी, but they were like some worn and torn right now, so I got a new pair of white pants. Very simple basic white pants of Zara, we all know. So this one I got on discount. इसका actual price 3,500 था, but on discount I got it for 2,000. Next is this very cute powder pink t-shirt for regular users only. And white pants के साथ में pair करने के लिए मैंने ये top भी लिया है. This is from their latest collection and I love the color. The only reason to buy this was the color and the neckline as well. This is for 2,150 rupees. ये top मैंने Zara की website पे बहुत बार देख लिया था and I wanted to get my hands on this. This is something I know I'm gonna wear a lot with like classy pants or satin skirt with heels. So this is going to be so much useful for my dinners, for my events or anything like that. So that's it for my yesterday's shopping. Also, you guys let me know what kind of content you want next on my channel. I'll definitely be taking your suggestions.